My last video addressed the issue of hospital visitation rules. And a question came up. Do these visitation rules also apply to children who are being cared for in the hospital? Is it possible for the hospital to keep us from seeing our own children in the hospital? Well, I would say in the case of children, the situation could prospectively be even more dire. Now, certainly, logic would have that it would be best for the child to have their parents there. But we do live in a crazy world. The last time that I took any of my kids to the hospital, I actually had to prove who I was, and that I wasn't just some stranger coming to snatch the kids. And so the whole hospital visitation issue gets even more twisted with regards to children. We have children that are cared for by one parent and not by the other. Again, some of the safety concerns. And also, consider this. Some time ago, I presented a video having you think about those people around us that may be our enemies, that would misinterpret what's going on with our lives and notify the authorities. I've seen a number of cases where a child will have an allergic reaction to something and get the knock on the door from the state saying, "Are you mistreating your children?" I've seen that with my own eyes. Be aware of this, that if you take a child to the hospital, not only do they want to make sure that you're actually the legal guardian and that you're the parent, but they also are required by law to report any real or imagined cases of neglect or abuse. Again, I cited the example of the person having an allergic reaction. If one had taken that child to the hospital, they wouldn't have been able to see their own child because the state would have intervened well before it was established that the parents hadn't done anything wrong. It was just something in their environment. But imagine again the grief on the part of a parent to be separated from their child because of some superfluous reason.